guys, this is Faithlyn with Elegance for Less. I am going to do a quick DIY for you. This is extremely easy. What you'll need for this project is a sheet from the, I guess Joann's or Michael's sells them. So you'll need one of these sheets. And I've chosen the barn wood. It represents a wooden floor or a wooden fence. So I love the idea of the wood. So I thought that was a good choice. And Father's Day is almost here, so something masculine. You'll also need a ruler. You'll need, because of the fence, I somewhat wanted something that's made out of wire. So the metal. So I've got this metal ribbon that I'm going to use. I also have these stickers, and I'm not quite sure how they will play out. Sometimes on the fence there are things written on them, so I'm thinking I may go that way. I don't know yet. You need your scissors, and you will need Mod Podge. I have my Mod Podge here. And you will also need a glue, a cup with glue and water, and a paintbrush. So let's get started on this. I started with the process of measuring where I want to cut, and I guess it would be a smart idea to also have your pen handy. So you'll need a pen as well. So I want to draw the line of where I want to cut, which I did on that side. Let's see if I can see it enough to cut it. Take your scissors and just cut along the line. I'm going to cut this and I'll be right back. Go alongside of my cylinder. You know, I went through the process of what you're going to need, but I'm not quite sure if I mentioned you will definitely need a cylinder. One of the most important things you will need. So let me go through the process again. You will need one of these sheets from Joann's or Michael's, and it's the wood sheets, and I want to say they were 79 cents a sheet, so very reasonable. Hobby Lobby sells them as well, that's true. Hobby Lobby sells them, and Michael sells them, Joann sells them. You'll need a Dollar Tree cylinder, and you will need Mod Podge glue. You will need, if you'd like to use the metal ribbon that I'm using, that comes from Hobby Lobby. And you will also need to have a sticker if you want to add words to your fence. You would need your Mod Podge glue to be able to have it stick together. Glue gun, glue sticks, scissors, and that's pretty much it to create what you're looking for. I'm just painted on the glue, and now I'm going to hold it together so that I can have it all sticks. So I'll be right back. Okay guys, so this is how it turned out. I absolutely love the way it looks. All the way around. Now, I place my glue down on one side, put my metal ribbon, and now I'm going to take it all the way around. Tug on it a bit. Make sure it's straight and it lays flat. Bring it over and line it up Then we're going to get our glue. Line it up so you know where you want your glue to be. Be generous with your glue. Very quick, very easy and simple. And lay your metal down. It amazes me the first time I worked with this metal ribbon that the glue held it so well. I thought that was very nice. Hold it in place, and if you have to add more glue, feel free. Be generous with it. Just like that, guys. Love, love, love the way that's looking. I think that's pretty good. The back. All the way around. Okay. And these stickers does have a bird on it. Would like to see what the bird, possibly, let's use a green. That would be cute. Okay guys, so I went with shine. Got a little bird there and the word shine. Some flowers, spring flowers. How simple, how cute is that? Totally love the way that that looks. You can use that as a centerpiece. If you like that, give me a thumbs up. Let me know what you're thinking. I am going to start another DIY. Okay guys, so I hauled this sign from Michael's and it was $14.99 and 50% off. And it says dream. What I would like to do is outline it with some rope, which is very simple, very easy to do. So take my tag off. I'm going to go ahead, start the process. It's very simple, but I wanted this to go along with my cylinder that I just did, the wood. And basically just start with laying your glue down. Be very generous with it. I am going to go ahead and start outlining this process so that I don't run out of time. All I'm doing is just taking the glue. And I love that it's iron. It's not extremely heavy, but it's really solid, so that's nice. And I'm going to take it, outline it, just to give it a different look, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I'm at this point in my curve and wanted to bring you in a bit to see that I am still doing the same process. Laying the glue down and going around. But I wanted to share that because I will have to cut my rope. So be generous with your glue and then stretch your rope around. Just like that. Don't know if you can see that. Okay. Then, I think that's pretty cool. And these are sold. I've seen these in the store. So, you know, they're pretty pricey. So to be able to create it for very little, I think it's a great idea creating it for yourself. And all you're doing is just tracing, not complicated at all. Okay, so I'm going to continue and I'll be back to show you what the finished product looks like. Okay guys, so I went ahead and add a few more gems to this project. And I just wanted to do 2, possibly 3, because I want to show you another way of using this cylinder. Because of the rope here, I want to get 3 projects in for you today. 5 minutes. It takes 5 minutes to get these projects done. And all you do is lay the glue down, put your rope on. I just did one with the metal ribbon, and now I want to do one with the rope. So you're going to lay your rope, your glue down, and lay your rope right on top, as close to the edge of the glass as possible. And guys, these projects are very, very simple, quick, easy project you can get done in 5 minutes. Take something that is existing and give it a brand new look. This will make a perfect centerpiece. So I am laying my glue down, connecting my rope, just like that. I'm going to take it all the way around and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so it is finished. I love the way that this turned out. I think it's fabulous. Something simple, but yet you can create it into something new. I love that concept. And this is how the rope turned out. Very nice. And I can take this out so you can see. Really love that. I love the rustic view on that. Okay guys, if this is your first time to my channel, thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you do like it and decide to give me a thumbs up. Share with your family and friends. I will place this on the table so you have a better view of it. Okay guys, so this is how it turned out. I love this, because I've priced them before and they were more than I wanted to spend. So to be able to achieve this look, and the ones that I noticed and really liked did not have stones on them. I do like the touch with the stones. I hope you do too. I love the way this wood turned out, this cylinder with the wood paper on it. A little hack that we just did. Love that. If you do, let me know. Give me a thumbs up. Share with your family and friends. Taking something simple, recreated it in 5 minutes, and just have a brand new look. I love it. All right, guys. Thank you so much. I will see you on my next DIY.